decades-old occupation of current Nazi-style genocidal policy of China's government have forced thousands of Uyghurs to flee from their homes, leaving everything behind. Families and communities have been shattered, and more than 3 million Uyghurs interned indiscriminately in concentration camps. Further, millions of Uyghur children have been separated forcefully from their parents and subjected to ethnic cleansing from their childhood. Death, disappearances, rape, torture, and enforced indoctrination of the Uyghur people in and outside of concentration camps are widely reported. Home and in exile are targeted by the Chinese government's state-sponsored policy to completely wipe out of their millennium-old ethno-religious affiliation. As the ancestral homeland of Uyghurs have been turned into an open-air prison, tens of thousands of Uyghurs who have managed to escape from China's repression are desperately looking for a safe place to live. Hundreds of Uyghur refugees have been deported back to China and disappeared without any signs of life. Many Uyghurs and newborn babies are stateless as their basic rights of consular services are denied by the Chinese government. Ethnic and cultural genocide is taking place right before the watchful eyes of the international community. Never again is happening again to the Uyghurs. We have an obligation to save them and extend our helping hand to give them a chance to rebuild their lives. Uyghur Refugee Relief Fund is launching a global campaign to fulfill the promise of humanity to those Uyghurs who are in dire needs. With the dedication of volunteers, URRF will sponsor vulnerable families and refugees to come to Canada and establish their new lives. All donations will be used for sponsorship needs without wasting a penny for any other purposes. Please help us save a life. You can make a monthly donation to become a pledged member and send your donation through our secure website. Helpless refugees are desperately looking for your help to save their lives. Please help the helpless.